Okay, we took all the blankets and pillows and dolls and made the ultimate squishy pit. Go, Kayla! Go, Caden! He still hasn't been able to make it off the couch once, but... Ready, Mark? Get set, fly! Great! Can you do that, Caden?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Kayla, why don't you come over towards me a little bit? There you go. Right there. Now get on the couch. Are you going to run and jump? Do it. Ready, Caden?
Yeah.
Go right onto that pink bear. Kayla, get down from there. There you go. You did it, Caden. You guys want to do it together? Why don't you guys do it at the same time? I'll say on your mark, get, set, go, okay?
Mark, set, go.
On your mark. Get, set, go! On your mark. Get, set,
go.
You back for more, Kayla? All right. Let's see you fall backwards. Turn around. Go. That's a little scarier, huh? You could do it. You're brave. Oh, get it. You're not very good at that. You should stick to just doing it forwards. Kaden got buried. Oh, there you are. You got lost for a minute. Okay, I think we need to I think we need to repack the pit. It's getting a little spread out. Okay, one last jump. Good night. Okay, one last jump together. Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
Go.
You ready to do it? Oh, okay, you're gonna go to bed? Okay, get in the squishy pit and go to bed then. Good night. Good night, Kaden.